channel often. Thank you very much. Before planting the sweet potato stem in the pot, I will cut off some leaves so that nutrients are concentrated on the stem, helping the plant grow fastest. Soaking sweet potato branches. Today I will choose honey mixed with water and soak for 30 minutes to help the sweet potato branches absorb nutrients and have moisture from the beginning. Today I will use a 30-liter planter. Before planting, I must punch drainage holes so that the plant does not get waterlogged. And to provide a constant supply of nutrients for the sweet potatoes, I will use a plastic bottle as an automatic green fertilizer system for the plant. For an automatic composter, you need to punch holes in the bottom so that the compost water can flow out easily, and cut the top of the bottle to make room for the compost. To help sweet potatoes grow quickly and have many tubers, during the soil preparation stage I will use rice husks and worm castings mixed into the soil for planting. Rice husks are very good for plants. They help loosen the soil and provide long-term nutrition for plants. Vermicompost not only provides nutrition, but also has high antibacterial properties and is non-toxic to humans. After soaking the sweet potato stems in honey water for 30 minutes, we start planting them. I use fruit and vegetable waste as green manure for my plants. Green manure decomposes slowly to create long-term nutrients for my plants. After 5 days of planting, the sweet potatoes have good roots and leaves. Now, we will take care of the plants in stage 1. To let the plant grow roots and then have soil space for the plant to produce more tubers. My choice is to add soil to the plant. It also helps the soil exchange nutrients better. To keep the soil moist, I will spread a layer of rice husks on the surface and use worm castings to fertilize the plants. And we must also remember to add green manure to the plastic bottle and water the sweet potatoes evenly. It is wonderful that after 15 days of planting, the sweet potato plants have sprouted many buds, are tall, green, beautiful, and healthy. At this time, the sweet potato is in the tuber formation stage, so we need to pay attention. At this stage, the plants need to be fertilized, so I choose the discarded tomato pulp as green fertilizer for the plants. And at the same time, add vitamin B1 to the water to water the plants, helping the plants have enough nutrients for the tubers to grow better. To help the plant withstand the weather and stay away from pests, I use 1 onion clove mixed with water and water the plant evenly, helping the plant resist pathogens well. Surprisingly, after 2 months of planting, my sweet potatoes are green and growing well. Now, let's see if they have many tubers. It's easy, right, guys? Sweet potatoes give me a lot of tubers after only 2 months of planting. Now I can share them with my friends. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.